Here today with the founder of Swiss, Dr. Ken Kanakin. Thanks again.
Thank you.
Today, we're going to be talking about a school of thoughts when it comes to pressing.
Yes.
And that's something called the thumbless grip.
Yes. Very
Common with shoulder pressing and bench pressing. And for those that might not be aware of what I'm talking about, we're referring to pressing in kind of this kind of a motion to help keep the motion stricter and the wrist in proper alignment.
Yes.
Myth? Truth?
Well, what we find is that if the thumb is on the same side as the fingers in this position here, and it's stricter because you're worried that the bar is actually going to pop out and roll out of the hand. And in order for you to do that, you have to put the wrist into a hyperextended position so it gives the bar a base to sit on. The challenge is that it hyperextends the wrist and it can create a wrist injury, especially on a bone here, one of the carpal bones called the lunate. And we have to treat that a lot of times with people. They start to load it up and it hyperextends it. A more effective way is to actually do what is known as a full grip. The thumb on the other side of the fingers, so you're in this position. And you can see that the bar now rests right over the forearm where it should. There's no stress on the wrist. As soon as they start to hyperextend, the bar is behind the wrist, putting more and more pressure on it. So the idea, the school of thought of having the thumb on the same side of the fingers, does it make the exercise stricter? Not really. What it does do is it puts extra stress on the wrist with real no benefit when you're doing the exercise. You can actually increase your strength by holding onto the bar with the thumb on the opposite side and squeezing the bar. Therefore, you control the bar. When you're in this position, the bar can actually control you.
Perfect.
Okay?
Great. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.